Mazatlan today. Brenda and I came over, my sister's visiting, and we're going to show you around the grounds and we're going to walk through the house. It is gorgeous here and just a spectacular place to go birding if you're in the Rio Grande Valley. Hope you enjoy the visit. Jason Matthews was a writer, composer, and explorer. He built much of the 10,000 feet of Quinta Mazatlan to himself, beginning in the 1930s. He used a concoction of adobe brick, similar to what was used in King Nebuchadnezzar's palace in Babylon, and you can see it's held up really well. Matthews served in 11 countries during World War I and fought side by side with Lawrence of Arabia. He and his wife published the magazine American Mercury from this house. These gorgeous doors were carved by a Swiss artist, and there are two little faces at the bottom of the doors that resembled the Matthews' two children. These Lebanese cedar beams were a gift from the King of Lebanon as a thank you for fighting alongside of Lawrence of Arabia. One of the rooms in the house is a collection by Anne Maddox Moore of folk art. This took her over 40 years to pull this collection together, and it's quite a great representation of the cultural heritage of South Texas and Mexico through folk art. It was quite fascinating to step into that room. I could have probably spent the whole day in there. So you step out into the back, and that's the original well. And there's cottages, and the kitchen was in the back there. Beautiful murals. These were just incredible. They're so beautiful. And the city of McAllen actually bought this property in 1998 when it went up for sale. And then it opened its doors to the public in 2006. So they really have a mission to educate people about plants and birds and environmental programs. It is classified as a World Birding Center. You can go with tour guides on Saturday mornings through the property. So it really is a fabulous resource for the Rio Grande Valley. These beautiful bronze statues throughout the property. I think there's around 30 of them, um, just mixed in with the landscape. Absolutely gorgeous. And all sorts of informational placards. This is just beautiful. They have a seating area here for you that you can observe birds and the ponds. It's just so nicely done. They have a feeding area. Unfortunately, it's a very windy day, so their bird watching is going to be slim. And the park is so nicely laid out, and there's identifiers for all of the plants, and then all the bronze statues tell you what they are. There's a black-tailed jackrabbit. So after the woodpeckers get their hole and are done with the trees, then the other animals can come in and occupy it. Gosh, what is back up in there? Oh, isn't that cool? It's painted, I guess. They are so creative here. This is awesome. My poor sister, I've drug her along, and she's become a birder not by choice, but by necessity. Wave. So this is a margay tree ocelot, and it's from Argentina to South Texas. It lives in the canopies of the forest. What is that? Oh, it's a mountain lion. There's a beautiful statue. In front of this one, the javelinas. They're everywhere.
are cool. It's strawberry cactus. I guess that's what this is. Look at those cool flowers.
All right. What a wonderful day at Quinta Mazatlan. I hope you enjoyed that. And make sure if you're in the McAllen, Texas area that you carve out some time to go and see it with your own eyes and experience it. It's absolutely beautiful. Thanks for joining us. We appreciate you spending time with us and like, share, and subscribe. We appreciate it. And we'll see you soon.